Yeah, I'm okay.
You can't go around filming and videoing people.
What law is that?
Have you got a driver's license on you there?
I'm not giving you.
You're not giving, you're refusing.
I'm refusing.
But do you want to see your car?
I don't even want to talk to you again. You came here because you saw
Why
me.
were you videoing?
Because you saw me videoing. I'm videoing. Is it a crime? You should be ashamed.
Ashamed?
Yeah, you should be ashamed that you are
I'm not
here
ashamed of
to
anything.
harass somebody for videoing. Show me your identification.
On Garda Síochána, 294.
No, let me see your address. Where you live?
I don't, you don't, you
So
don't, sorry, sir,
you don't
excuse
have
me.
the authority.
You do not have the authority to ask me that.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by In Your Shoes. Be sure to check out his channel and let him know I sent you. Article 40 of the Irish Constitution is similar to parts of the US Constitution. Article 40 covers quite a bit, but portions of it are similar to America's Fourth Amendment agreement that we are to be free from unreasonable searches and seizures by the state. On July 11th, In Your Shoes traveled to a friend's house, which was across the street from the Killarney Garda station. The parking meter for the area was mounted to an exterior wall at the station, but was broken. In Your Shoes pulled out his phone to take pictures of the meter, as evidence in the event he was ticketed, and then filmed the environment as further proof. A female officer in her personal vehicle drove past.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Are you videoing the Garda station? What's your own name, sir?
The officer called in and reported him. Moments later, two Garda officers came outside to confront him.
Hello?
How's it going?
Good.
What's your name?
Why?
Why? Because you were filming and taking photographs of guards and people going in and out of the Garda station. You got a complaint about it.
Is it a crime?
You can't be filming people in and out. I'm asking you your name, sir.
I'm not giving you.
You're not giving me
No.
your name. Why not?
Because I'm not committing any crime.
Pardon?
I am not committing any crime.
But you can't go around filming and videoing people.
What law is that?
This is also a month.
So now
You don't even know your law?
Yes, it is actually an offence to drive a car without
and you I'm making it. Have you got your driving license with you?
Why are you here?
Because you have
We got
committed
we got a complaint from a member of the public that you were videoing and taking photographs of people coming in and out of the Garda station.
He wasn't, but even if he was, it isn't a crime. The officers now angle their inquiry towards his expired tax tags.
Is it an offense to video?
And I'm asking you for your driving license.
I'm not giving you.
You have no tax on your vehicle. That is an offence.
What?
You have your taxes out since the 6th.
So you don't even know the date?
It's the 6th, 2018.
And so? Am I not, is this
July.
month out?
It's now.
Yeah,
July.
no, we pay this month. You don't know the law?
Yes. Have you got a driver's license on you there?
I'm not giving you.
You're not giving. You're
No.
refusing.
I'm refusing. You know why I'm refusing? I am refusing because you have no legitimacy in what you're doing right now.
Sure. We got a complaint from a member of
I
the
don't
public.
care about your complaints.
Well,
I don't care. Is that why you're here?
So now,
Are you here
It's
because of
also
tax?
part. No,
no, I'm asking
Okay.
you. I'm making a demand. I'm making a
Get away,
demand
you don't know what to
for
say.
your driving license.
You don't even know, huh?
I'm making a demand for your
I'm
driving
telling you that I'm not giving you. I'm refusing because you are illegally here right now.
illegally here.
Illegally here because you are here to harass me.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. You are here to
We're
harass me.
illegally
Yeah.
arrest you.
Yeah, you're here to harass me.
I'm
It's
not
an
here to.
harassment.
I'm not here to harass you.
Okay.
We can do things very easily. I asked you for your name.
I am telling you because of you don't have legitimacy in what you're doing right now.
Put your taxes out. So now
My
I'm
tax is
asking-
out? What do you mean? Yeah, do I not have this money? If you know the law,
you don't.
I have this money to
Oh,
pay.
I know the law.
I have already
You
paid.
obviously don't know.
I have already paid.
You cannot.
I have already paid for the tax.
All right.
Can you prove
So
it? Show me the receipt.
Next, the officers make allegations that his tires are bald. In Your Shoes had just replaced all 4 tires just 3 months prior. Regardless, a citation for repairs or tax stamp does not require an ID. Much like a parking ticket, the citation can be written without the owner's presence. It is now clear that the officers are trying to find any possible way to identify the man because one of their colleagues was upset about his filming.
You don't have
Because
to. No,
it
that's
is
fine.
after
That's up to
next
yourself.
month.
You're wasting your
Okay.
time. Front right tire as well. Esquire door. Your front left tire. If you want to see this,
Are you for NCT?
no. Your front left tire.
Whatever you want to do, I don't want to talk to you again.
Do you want to see your tire?
I don't even want to talk to you again.
Well, we're telling you these offences. Now we've made the lawful demand that you produce your driver's license.
I'm telling
and you're
you-
telling us you're refusing to produce it.
Because
No,
you're here.
I don't
And
care.
I'm
You're refusing.
So, sir, have you got proof that you taxed your car recently? Have you proof?
You came here because of
Okay.
my videoing. Right
I'm
now,
asking you, have you got your driving license?
I'm not showing you.
And I'm asking you, have you proof that you taxed your car recently?
You.
Have you got proof? You're
You
not
came
showing me.
here. You came here because you saw
Why
me.
were you videoing
Because
me?
you saw me
Okay.
videoing. I'm videoing. Is it a crime? You should be ashamed.
Ashamed?
Yeah, you should be ashamed that you are
I'm not
here
ashamed of
to
anything.
harass somebody for videoing
I'm not.
in public.
I'm not ashamed.
Did I
I'm
come
not
to your
that
gather
people
station?
are-
Did I
People
come
come
to
to
your
the guard station
Look.
to make complaints in
listen,
constant
listen.
infidelity.
Look.
They don't need to.
Look, there is dash cam here. Can you also
Dash cam?
cite me for
Doesn't
that?
matter.
Can you also? Don't you have CCTV everywhere?
I'm not. We're not talking
Don't
to you
you
about
have-
the C. We're
don't
not
you
talking to
have
you about your dash
CCTV?
cam or your CCTV.
So?
I'm making a demand for you to produce your driving license.
I am telling you, I'm telling you, authority, that you are illegally here, and therefore I'm not producing it. You know, if you want to take it forward, I will sue you.
Sue me.
Yeah, I will.
You can sue me all you want, sir.
Okay, so I'm just telling you now.
You can sue me
that
all you
I
want.
want to be
identification
left
on
alone.
Have you identification on you, sir?
Show me the identification.
On Garda Síochána,
No,
294.
let me see your
That's-
address. Where you live?
I don't. You don't. You
So
don't.
my-
Sorry,
you
sir.
don't have
Excuse
the
me.
authority.
You do not have the authority to ask me that. However,
do not have the authority. I'm not committed a crime.
this is the police force in Ireland, and we have the authority to ask you your name and your address.
I'm not going to do it.
Well, then we have no other choice, but we have to bring you to the Garda station. Want to lock your
I
car?
will sue you.
You can sue us.
Yeah, that?
That's your option.
You're refusing to give your name and address. Oh,
In Your Shoes was arrested and brought into the Garda station, where the officers identified him and let him go. He was never prosecuted, but a week later he received a citation in the mail regarding his taxes. No mention was made about his bad tires, and because he had just paid his taxes, the citation was dismissed. He filed a complaint against the officers, and received a response telling him that he did nothing wrong, and that the officers had no duty, nor him any obligation to identify. Unsurprisingly, in the same report it claims that the officers did nothing wrong. He is also working with a lawyer and is pursuing civil action. He has had multiple encounters that make it seem as though he's being retaliated against for his filming. I will leave links to those encounters below. The lesson here is that tyranny is alive and well worldwide, and the greatest fear of law enforcement is transparency. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.